What's driving markets? Welcome to Market Take. Each week, we'll bring you our insights on the latest market and economic trends that are impacting investments. I'm your host, Christopher Kaminker, Head of Sustainable Investment Research and Analytics at the BlackRock Investment Institute. This week, we discuss how the Mideast energy shock and rising AI-driven power demand are reinforcing energy security and supply chain resilience, unlocking thematic opportunities. The economic shock from the Middle East conflict is pushing governments to secure energy supply. Power demand from AI is also accelerating investment in energy infrastructure. Together, these forces are unlocking long-term thematic opportunities. Now, energy underpins economic activity around the world. Around 80% of the population lives in countries that are net oil importers, and 60% live in countries that import natural gas. That means disruptions from the Middle East conflict are having a global effect, rippling across markets and reinforcing the drive for energy security. But the shock is playing out unevenly. Europe and Asia both rely on imported liquid natural gas. Europe has limited ability to reduce its demand. Japan and South Korea are more exposed to price swings and demand shifts. The US, a net exporter, is insulated but not immune. AI is driving up demand for energy, but that demand is colliding with supply constraints on key materials like copper. This has led countries to reduce their reliance on a small set of LNG suppliers, prioritize local supply chains through circular economies, and ramp up electrification efforts, powered through renewables, like solar with batteries. To capture these trends, the investing horizon is key. Leadership in deployment doesn't always translate into equity returns. In the near term, higher volatility and dispersion favor active approaches. Longer term, we favor themes such as electrification and critical resources across public and private markets. Here's our market take. Energy security and AI-driven demand are reinforcing each other. We favor active, thematic exposures to back these companies and capture the shifts as they play out. Active fundamentally, active systematically, and through infrastructure investment in private markets. We stay neutral across equities, but stand ready to adjust quickly. For details, read our weekly market commentary. You can go to www.blackrock.com/weekly-commentary. Thank you for tuning in. If you've enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Market Take wherever you get your podcasts.
This content is for informational purposes only and is not an offer or a solicitation. Reliance upon information in this material is at the sole discretion of the listener. In the UK and non-European Economic Area countries, this is authorised and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. In the European Economic Area, this is authorised and regulated by the Netherlands Authority for the Financial Markets. Reference to the names of each company mentioned in this communication is merely for explaining the investment strategy and should not be construed as investment advice or investment recommendation of those companies. For full disclosures, go to blackrock.com/corporate/compliance/bid-disclosures.